me tell y'all what's going on right now with the Pink Friday Nails website. So I got a Shein spring nail haul for y'all. Those that tried to come for me for shopping at Dollar Tree. I respectfully don't bring that bullshit over here. Now, let me show y'all what I got at cheap ass Dollar Tree. Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. But first of all, can we get a little commotion for the shirt, because this shirt is brought to you from Chalk herself, from the Chalk Shop, especially created for the Chalk Nation. Okay, so make sure y'all click the link in the description and get y'all some Chalk Nation merch. Okay, so let me give you guys an update on the Pink Friday nails that I had on. So I wore the nails for 2 weeks, okay, 14 days. None of them bent, broken, cracked, popped off, nothing. The only thing that happened was some wear on the tips of the nails, because I do a lot of typing at work and I'm also always using my hands a lot, but that was after 10 days. So Nikki definitely did her thing with the quality of the Pink Friday nails. These are the leftover nails that I have from the pack. I just stuck some of them back in the front because I thought this was just so cute like this. But yeah, these are the leftover nails. So if I wanted to apply these again, I have plenty of nail sizes to choose from to apply the set again. And then also in the drawer, we still have our nail glue, the nail file, and our cuticle pusher. And then there's plenty of extra nails in here as well. So I will definitely be applying this set again in the near future. And I also ordered more Pink Friday nails. Let me tell y'all what's going on right now with the Pink Friday Nails website. So she has a promo going on right now to get $8 off your order. Okay, so I ordered a set that was $16.99, right? Plus the shipping I think is $5, and then tax is like $3. I would have spent like $25 for one set. But after applying that $8 promo, I ended up only paying $13 and some change for my set, which was so good compared to $25 that I would have spent regularly. So y'all better order y'all Pink Friday nails right now while this promo is going on. I don't know how long the promo is going to last, but when I first saw it, it said 24 hours. And then a few days later, I saw that the promo was still going. So I ordered 2 more sets. So I got 2 more Pink Friday nail orders that I'm waiting on right now. One should be here within a couple days, and then I just placed my other order like 2 days ago. So we got about 10 days for that one to get here. A lot of people did have some questions about the shipping, because when I posted my review on TikTok, I also did a Pink Friday Nails review over on TikTok, and a lot of people were like, I've been waiting on my nails. Shipping takes so long. Honey, they tell you shipping takes about 2 weeks. I got my nails within 10 days. So you just gotta be patient. Nikki gonna make sure we get our stuff. They are on the way. So as soon as my next 2 orders hit that mailbox, y'all already know the videos are coming. So since the first set that I tried from Pink Friday was a square shape, the second set that I ordered is a stiletto, and then the third order that I placed with 2 more is the almond and coffin shape. So she has all 4 shapes that you can choose from. So I was like, I'm gonna order 1 of each, and we're gonna do a tutorial and a review for all of them so y'all can see what's going on, in case y'all are not convinced yet. Which, if y'all are not convinced yet, honey, I don't know what's going on with you, because these nails are bomb. So that was my update for Pink Friday. Make sure y'all take advantage of that $8 promo that she got going on right now so you can get your nails for the low. A lot of people were like, the prices is a little. But with that promo, you can save a little bit and get you some. Okay, so up next, I got a Shein spring nail haul for y'all. So let's get into that. So first off, I ordered a shirt from Shein. I have never ordered clothes from Shein, but when I saw this shirt, I was like, I have to have it because it's so me. That's me right there on that shirt. Like, let me take it out the pack. Let's just get into it because this shirt was so cute when I saw it. My friend sent the link to me and she was like, I could totally see you wearing something like this. And when I saw it, I was like, period. Period, Pooh. You already know how I get down. She is so cute. Her hat says period. And she got her pink nails on with her gold hoops. She got her pink lipstick on and her pink hat. Y'all know I'm a hat girl, okay? 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna have a hat on with a fit. I don't care if my hair is done. Like, hats are just me. I love baseball caps. So tell me that don't look like me on this shirt. Twin, where have you been? Me quite like you can't even deny it. Every time I try it, wanna give my heart, you know I'm lying. Let me stop. But yeah, this is Twin. I got Twin in a 2X. And normally I wear 1X and tees, but since I never ordered shirts from Shein, I was like, let me size up in case it runs small. So Twin might be a little bit big, but we're gonna style her up and she gonna be cute. And I'll do another video and I'll show y'all how I style this shirt. So that's the first item, me and my twin, period. Okay, so up next, I did order some press-on nails and I also ordered press-on toenails to match my nail sets because spring is here and I'm gonna be wearing a lot of cute sandals and I'm gonna have my toes out and things and I want my nails and my toes to match because I'm just like that. And so I put together some press-on nail and toenail sets. They did not come together, I just was on the Shein site and I put them together. So this is the first one. We got this beautiful orange. I love orange on my nails and my toes. So this is an orange French tip press-on nail set. And then I ordered this really cute orange set to go with them. As you guys can see, it has multiple color orange stripes on some nails. And then we have some nails that are plain orange. And how cute is that together? Okay, and up next, I have this really cute, like purple, pinkish, bluish marble nail set that I ordered. And I ordered some lavender toenail, French tip toenails, which the lavender is not giving like it was given on Shein. It's a little light. It almost looks pink. So it's not really giving the purple that I thought it was gonna give to go with this set, but I mean, I can still put it together and make it shake and it's still gonna be cute. But I just wish the purple on these French tip toes was popping a little harder. But y'all know me, y'all know I know how to jazz up a set and make it pop. So when I get ready to apply these, I will definitely be doing a tutorial and a review on them. But yes, this is the second set. I only ordered 2 nail and toenail sets to match, but I will be ordering more sets like that in the near future. So more is coming. Now, I am from Los Angeles, California. So when I saw these nails, I had to get these because I loved the color. And I'm from LA. I'm from LA, baby. So I had to rep my city and put on for my city with these nails because they just so LA and so me. And I love the color. So that's these. Okay, now this set right here, I loved this color. Absolutely love this color. These are like a medium coffin shape, and it's like a turquoise or sea blue color, which is one of my favorite colors next to pink. These are so cute, perfect for spring, and the color is just popping. It's gonna look so pretty against my chocolate skin. I love the rhinestones around the cuticle and in the center of the nails. Like, these are so pretty. So I had to get these. Okay, next up we have this really pretty green set. It does look like that green set that I applied. I think that was last year. But this is a different set. It's just the same lime green, which I love lime green nails as well. Very pretty for spring and summer. And I love that blinged out snake that's on that nail. And then the second nail right here has some bling around the cuticle area. We got some chunky rhinestones on that one. We have a pretty green design on this one, and then there's also some plain green nails in there. So yes, this set is so pretty. I love the lime green. Again, it's gonna look so bomb against my chocolate skin. I love chocolate skin with neon colors. We just go together real bad. I also ordered me some more brush on nail glue because I just love brush on nail glue. And this one I've used in many of my videos, and this is a really good glue. My nails always last, you know, they never pop off easy or anything with this nail glue. I love it. And so I ordered a 2-pack. So if you guys need a good brush on nail glue, I do recommend this one. They have other brush on nail glues on Shein. I haven't tried them, but I do plan on dibbling and dabbling into some other glues just to try them out and see how good they work. But this one right here has not failed me. And when applying press-on nails, I love a brush on because it's just really easy to apply. You don't have to squeeze anything out. You literally just dip the brush in, paint it on your nails. So I love that about brush on nail glue. And the last set from our haul is this really pretty royal blue and white set. It has those pretty lines on them. Y'all know I love, if you've been on my channel for a while, I love me some nails that got like those squiggly lines and designs on them. So I got these. You have the lines on some of the nails. You have white nails and also plain blue nails. So you can mix and match your set however you choose. So yeah, this is everything that I got from Shein in my Shein haul, and everything will be linked in the description of this video. So make sure y'all check the description box and get y'all some of these nails. But I'm not done with this video yet, so just stay with me. Stay with your girl. I know we're unpacking a lot here. But stay with me because I got another thing that I want to show you guys. And while you are here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to your girl's channel. You are going to love it here. And also follow me on my socials, okay? When I'm not on YouTube, I'm also on Instagram and TikTok. So make sure y'all follow me on all of my socials so y'all can stay up to date with me everywhere, okay? So the next thing I have to show you guys are these nails that I found in Dollar Tree. Y'all know I'm always in Dollar Tree. That's one of my favorite stores. I love Dollar Tree. I don't care how much money I got, I'ma always shop at Dollar Tree. And since we on the subject, somebody commented under one of my videos and tried to come for me for shopping at Dollar Tree. Talking about it's 2024 and you still shopping at cheap ass Dollar Tree. And is. Like, first of all, why are you even on my channel giving your opinion that no one asked for? And I understand that everybody has an opinion, but when you see somebody is doing something positive and, you know, showing people how to do things to save a little coin, why would you even come on over here to the Chalk Nation with that negativity? We don't do that over here. And Chalk Nation, y'all let her know that this is not the place for that. So I appreciate y'all, Chalk Nation, for having my back, because y'all was in the comments like, not on this channel. And I was like, yes, yes, Chalk Nation. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all for having my back, because y'all clapped back at her, but it was respectfully, you know, like respectfully. Don't bring that bullshit over here. Like, I don't know who she thought she was and if she was gonna get away with that, but I had to let her know that in 2024, we doing what the fuck we wanna do. And if that includes shopping at Dollar Tree, that's what we doing. Period. Ooh. So yeah, shout out to the Chalk Nation. I love y'all. Now, let me show y'all what I got at cheap ass Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree got some new nails in stock, y'all, okay? And these are definitely bomb, okay? For them to only be $1.25, these nails are really cute. They are a coffin shape. I got 2 packs of each because you only get 12 nails in each box, and I want to make sure I have enough nails to fit all the sizes of my nails. So I got 2 sets of each. But how cute are these? And the colors are popping definitely for spring. I love this pretty lavender, and then we have a little bling on the center of the nails. And then this is like a salmon color, like a dark salmon color, which is really cute and unique with the bling on them as well. So make sure y'all are checking y'all local Dollar Tree, because they be putting new stuff in there like every other month or so. Every other month they'll surprise me with some new nails or some new, you know, nail products like the glue or cuticle oil and little, you know, things to design your nails. So make sure y'all periodically be checking y'all local Dollar Tree to see if they got them in there, because Dollar Tree be having gems. So this is everything that we unpacked in this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail vlog. As always, if you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here. Make sure you guys check the description box for links to everything that was in this video. The only things that are not linked are the Dollar Tree nails. You have to check your local Dollar Tree to see if they have those nails. I'll also leave a link to the Pink Friday nails website so you can get you some Pink Friday nails and get in on that promo. Also, make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. Smash that like button and drop a comment, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.